Welcome to day 3 of Gaelmas. I'm going to look for some last minute Christmas decorations. Lovely bright day in Aberdeen, but it is very cold. Time to put up the Christmas decorations. So first of all, the word for decorations, lunyarin. Lunyarin. And I'll be putting up lots of Solais, which are lights. And I would love to know, what are you putting on top of your Christmas tree this year? Is it a runeck, which is a star, isle, angel, or are you going for a bow? Because bows are very on trend, and I think I do have some bows somewhere, so maybe that'll be for me. And yeah, let me know what you want to hear next. Make sure to save this video for later and follow along to learn some more Scottish Gaelic.